Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you're well. So in today's video I will share you some beautiful denim bed sheets and sofa cover, comfortable and durable. Denim bed sheets are a modern and stylish choice for your bedrooms. They combine comfort and classic elegance, material and feel. Denim bed sheets are made from soft cottons or blend fabric that feel smooth, cozy. Like regular denim jeans, denim bed sheets are lightweight and soft for sleeping. Denim is now for becoming strong and long-lasting. A denim bed sheet wears and tears, so it can last for many years. It's perfect for everyday use and keep it look even after washing. Colors and style. Denim bed sheets come in classic blue, gray or black shades. Some have a wash look for a casual trend style. Others many have patterns or stitches designed for attractive bedroom styles. Denim bed sheets give a modern, casual, cozy vibe. They look great with white or natural pillowcase and blankets. You can mix texture like lines, cartons, so for a stylish look. Denim bed sheets are easy to wash. Wash them in cold water to keep the colors bright. Iron light if need to keep the fabric smooth. Avoid bleach to protect the fabric and colors. Denim bed sheets are perfect for anyone who want a cool, casual and cozy bed sheets styles. They are simple, modern, practical, while adding a unique touch to your home decoration. And viewers, denim bed sheets are versatile and can match many bedroom styles. Modern look pairs a classic blue denim bed sheet with white pillows and a white blanket. This creative a clean and modern look. Add a few metals or wooden decoration item to complete the style. Casual cozy style. Mix the denim bed sheet with a soft cream throw and cushion. Use natural colors like gray or cream for pillows. This creative warm and cozy bedrooms. Here your denim bedsheet with lined sheet or cotton blanket. Add bedrooms, cushions or quilt on top. Different as you make your beds look stylish and inviting colors. Combination denim bed sheets look great with pastel shades like soft pink, mint green. They also match balls color like mustard, red or dark green for a modern look. Choose pillowcase, straw or rug in these colors. Place a small rug near the bed for extra comfort. Add a night lamp or fairy lights for a soft glow. Wooden filter plants go well with the denim for a natural modern look. Denim bed sheets are comfortable, durable and stylish. They are perfect for a modern, casual and cozy bedrooms look. Even a simple denim bed sheet can transform your bedroom into a cool and inviting place.